Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. Today we are going over our weekly coupon inserts and we have 3. Yay! Png March, of course, that's always a good one. We'll go over that last. We have the Smart Source, that's kind of thick, plus Dollar General, of course, has theirs in there. And then we have the new Save, Spend, Life, Happy. I have to get used to saying that. And if you want to go print coupons from them, it's save.com. Okay, used to be Retail Me Not. So let's start with this one because it's kind of thin. Okay, the first thing you see on here is we have a Love Beauty and Planet coupon. The value is up to $9.99. Now, you can also do deodorants in here this time. The deodorants is about the cheapest that I've bought, and they were $4.99. Some $3.99. So we'll see what Target is giving out when I do my Target coupon haul as gift cards concerning this, because I love the deodorant. Okay, next we have what's that, Seneca, those things. Then this, I knew this was coming. 2 weeks only, they're gonna have Johnson & Johnson and Desitin $2. Okay, let me tell you about the Johnson & Johnson. You can get the ones that's $1.98 at Walmart, so that'll make them free. Then you can get a bigger one that's $2.98 and get that big lotion or a big hair body wash for 98¢. And then you can use the dollar ones off in the trial. I did all of those. Now look at this right here. Save $1 on Listerine. It's some new Listerine products out that I want to try, so I will be using that coupon right there. Then we have the L'Oreal hair coloring. If you all shop at Dollar General, today is Saturday, you could use these coupons and see could you get some overage somewhere, because I did see some L'Oreal stuff on clearance there. Okay, Family Dollar. Oh, I noticed Family Dollar started putting theirs in Save, Spend, Life. Okay, so Family Dollar is right here. Also, they gave us a 5 off 25 on the 6th. Make sure you watch my Family Dollar video, 5 off 25 scenario. And it looked like they have some good stuff. So I think we're going to do some good couponing this week, guys. Okay, so Family Dollar has a great deal. And they only giving like 3 coupons. So here is $4 off on the Centrum, which will make probably for a good deal at Dollar General and Family Dollar, to get them for either $1 or for free. $2 off on Centrum gummies. Then you have $1.50 off on the 18-count Advil, which means I should be able to use this on that Advil that we get for $1.98, making them 48¢ at Walmart. Okay, so here is the Optic for $3, $6, and then a clear Optic for $3, and then you have a $6 one. So these might stack well with Walgreens IVC booklet. Go watch that Walgreens stack video that I did. It was really nice, guys. Help you get more savings. And then that's Flonase. Okay, this is back, so you guys take a good look at that, because it's $1.50 off. I will be using these in Dollar Tree to get free pretzels, because that's what I did last week when they were out. I'm glad to see those back again. Then you have Sustain, and again, you can stack these at Walgreens and with a Walgreens IVC booklet. On to the next one. Okay, look at Smart Source. It says it's $200 in savings. Let's hope so. First of all, we're going to start off with the $2 poise that we usually could get those liners for free, or you make a good stack at Walgreens or CVS. Then these right here, the $1 off of the 10 cups is a good deal at Walmart. This one right here where you see the $1.50, you used could get that use that for some overage at Walmart. So if the coupon is a go, I will try it and let you guys know. The Owie or Ooey or Wee, save $1 on 4 jars. My mother loved that, so I'll definitely be grabbing her some. Oh, the Jergens is back. Jergens, yay! We should be able to get that for a cheap or low price at Walgreens, Walmart, or Dollar Tree. Now, you might be able to stack at Dollar General with their 2 off of 6 or 2 off 8 deals that they have. Those will make really good, okay? Now, the Biore, last time the Biore coupon was out, they worked on the mask. So, let's try the Biore coupons on the mask, okay? And we'll try those I'll try them at Walmart. I'll try them anywhere I can if I find them. The Corel will make a good stack coupon in Walgreens, so be careful because you don't want to use this coupon when you can stack it and get a cheaper price. But the $2 Corel was working in Walmart on the small one, so I will try that one. And then we have the $1 off coupons right here off the cereal. You have General Mills, the Cheerio, and the Lucky Charms and Reese's. You guys know we've been getting those for 50 cents, the little bags at Dollar Tree. So they work fantastic. John Frieda has $3 off, $4 off, and $2 off. And then Band actually brought out some more coupons. They haven't did it in a while, but this one is $3 off of 2, and then $1 off 1 roll-on. So if you could find a cheap roll-on, that $1 might work good. If you could get a stack deal going on somewhere at CVS or Walgreens, that'll work good also, guys. Okay, $4 off the Tina products, which you usually could find those for a great price somewhere. Mainly in Dollar General or Walmart. Okay, and then $1 off the Ensure. Okay, now look at these coupons right here, guys, because I know for a fact that Dollar General has a clearance going on, and these coupons work on this clearance. The New York lipstick, if it's in here, was $1.39. So you can use a coupon and get overage with, okay? So just pay attention to those. Those will make a good deal. Okay, the Allegras and all of those. Sometimes Allegra work as overage and they have nasal quart, but I haven't been lucky with it lately. Oh, these are new. These are new from Nature Valley. $1 when you buy 1 box of it's called Packed, and it's full of peanut butter, nuts, and cranberries. So those might make a great deal somewhere. $1 off 4-count box or larger. So guys, let's see I'm going to see if these will work at Dollar Tree, because I know for a fact they do have $1 off. They have the Nature Valley there. These are Brief Rice. If you need anything for sinus pain, that's what it is. Allegra D's, $8 and 5s. Ensure $5. Say that coupon and hold on to it because I think it's going to work at some more places. I believe Dollar General. This is the coupon that I was speaking about that I knew it would come out as a paper. It's Glade, $1.50 off a Glade plug-in, warmer only pack. If they have those, that'll make a great freebie or a cheapie. And then you have a $2 off 1 Glade plug-ins warmer plus the refill in there with it. Warmer plus plug-in scented oil refill starter kit. That might be a good deal. You might could get that for really cheap. We might could get it for about $1. Then here it is. Buy 1, get 1 free Glade product. And those are mostly the candles. And those usually glitch at Dollar General. Okay. So this is an $8 off Alloway. All of those. $3 off Thera Care. Usually those work for me, the heat wraps. I love them. I usually use them get them at Walgreens for Dirt Treat or Dollar General. $4 off the Skintimate. Oh, that's a good deal right there. So we got to pay attention to that coupon right there because we might can get some good overage. And here's $1 off of 2 of the Skintimate shave creams. $1.50. $3 off the Skintimate Chic. More coupons, and then here's a $4 off. So we're trying to get some cheap deals, right? I did my Walgreens deals of the week video. See any coupon, stack it with it, guys. $5 off Glucerna, $2 off Kaopectate, which I think we could find the Kaopectate tablets for cheap in Walmart. And then Dollar General has their deals of the week, which look like they might be pretty interesting. Okay, and then you have $1 off Nerva, Move Right, all of those. Let's get to the P&G. Okay, guys, The Png Brand Saver, supposed to be $98 worth. Let's see. You guys know they don't do us right in my region. $4 off the Herbal Essence. Say that coupon now. Make sure you check your Dollar General's clearance. The clearance is not over until Sunday. These coupons work on clearance items to lower your out-of-pocket or give you overage. Or get the product free. The waterless shampoo, $3. I haven't found that anywhere. Then you got the $5 off 2 Pantene nutrient blends. So I guess it's a Pacific one. Then $3 off 3 Pantenes. Then you have $3 off 2 Head and Shoulders. They just changing the packaging a lot on these different products, huh? All of a sudden. Okay, $1 off 2 Safeguard liquid hand soaps. Walgreens has those for $3 and something. So if you want to pay $3 a piece for them, I guess. 50 cents off 2 Ivory body washes. Why would they just give us 50 cents? That's so cruel. $3, but this coupon might work. No, let me take that back. I don't want to say that yet. $3 off the Always Discreet, which you can do what, guys? You can stack at Walgreens. $2 off another Discreet. You can stack. 50 cents off Pepto. If you see that in Walgreens or CVS, stack your coupons. Prilosec. And then the Meta. That's for your bowels. Okay, let's see what else we got going on. The Immunity ZZs, 50 cents. $2 off the Vicks Children. I actually found that cheap. 50 cents off the Vicks Vapor Cool. I wish they gave us that coupon again. $1 off Vicks Vapor Rub. The small ones you can probably find for cheap. $1.50 off ZZ Quill. $2 off the Stress Balls. Okay. $1 off of the Crest mouthwash, or $2 off the Oral-B. That was on sale at Walgreens. Be looking out. That's the magic coupon of the day, guys. The $2 off of the Crest should give you dirt, cheap or free, wherever you go this week. $2 off of Oral-B toothbrush should give us, both of these should give us overage. The $2 off the Crest and Oral-B. Pay attention to the Fixodent because I found that for dirt cheap in Walgreens. And then here's $1 off Fixodent. That was cheap. Okay, no, didn't give it to me as usual, but that's okay. I didn't get it. I do have some coupons coming, so I will still do deals involving those. Okay, $1 off of the NyQuil, $3 off Sinex, 25 cents off Bounty, 25 cents off Sherman, 50 cents off of Dawn Liquid. Pay attention to that because you might could use that coupon on a small Dawn Liquid. $1 off the Cascade and $2 off 2 bags of Cascade. Sorry, guys. And let's see what else was here. Okay. $1 off of 9 Elements. And then I haven't used that. $1 off More Elements. Buy one. This is another good coupon. Buy one, get one free for Breeze. This is going to be a hot coupon everywhere you go this week. So you'll probably see me do this deal a couple of times. $2 off Swiffer, 50 cents off the erasers, and $1 off anyone Mr. Clean mop. Mr. Clean coming up. The ties, we got these 25% off. I haven't used them. They don't look. $1 off Olay. $2 off Gillette. And then here's $1 off 2 Gillettes. Okay, buy one, get one free off the Secret or Old Spice spray. Those are usually on clearance also at Dollar General. Be looking out. I did not see them this week, though. $2 off the Secret. $1 off 2 more Secrets. And $1 off 2 Old Spices. So you all could hit the Dollar General deal with some of these coupons. $3 off Gillette. Another Gillette, $3. Be paying attention because we have coupons, deals for these at Walgreens. $2 off of the Pampers, which I told you a deal that you could do at Walgreens. 50 cents off 2 wipes. And here's another deal. But this 1 box or 2 bags, this coupon usually work on 1 bag of Pampers at Walmart. So we will check and see. Okay, and then on the back, guys, it's Olay. 10 off of Olay, 2 off, and $1 off. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I do try to go through it quick so you guys can see And I know I talk fast. Someone commented about that. Yes, I do, because I don't want an extra long video. And I do go through what you should be looking at and what, you know, some tips and pointers that I give you concerning the coupons. So guys, make sure this week, yes, it's a yes. Buy the coupons. It is some great deals in there, okay? So I give this week a thumbs up. Thanks guys for tuning in. Make sure you all watch my Walgreens deals videos. Bye.